herbal drug preparation. In that, we have covered 4 steps. Fifth step is processing of herbal raw material. The first one is primary. Second one is the secondary processing. In the first one, the primary processing, it is like garbling, washing, paraboiling, bleaching, drying. In garbling, like remove the waste. Washing, the plant is washed like water, brushing like that. Next, paraboiling, short period of time that keep in a hot water. In bleaching, running water, it should be washed. Other drying for not degeneration or degradation. In secondary processing, cutting, aging, sweating, baking, boiling or steaming, stir frying, fumigation. Primary processing, in that garbling, like is also called as sorting. This process helps to ensure the purity, cleanness of the harvested material. Like should be purity, cleanity, so that next the dirt like soil, dust, impurities like insects, dead tissues are separated from the raw material. These process may involve like procedures such as removing dirt and foreign substances and discarding the damaged parts and peeling the barks, trimming and removal of hair from the roots and removal of seeds from the fruits. Processing of herbal raw materials, in that second step is washing. After the garbling, the raw material should be cleaned to remove the traces of the remaining soil, dirt and other impurities from the surface during the process of like scraping, brushing, and it is necessary, like washing is necessary, like should be washed because that dirtness should be cleaned, the impurities should be washed. So that next one is a paraboiling. Certain herbal raw materials undergo paraboiling process, which they are put in the boiling water for the short period. This may improve in the storage raw material, prevent the contamination. After that, this may also remove the stubborn impurities as well as outer coats of raw material. Next, leaching. In that leaching, some of the impurities can be removed through the plant material and under running water. It's known as leaching. During bleaching, should be controlled to prevent loss of chemical content that they present in the drug. Next, drying. In the drying, in some cases, plant material should be thoroughly dried and washed to prevent the degradation, deterioration of the contamination of active substances like active constants. They must be dried as soon as possible to remove the moisture to reduce the microorganism growth. The plant material should be spread in thin layer. Care should be taken for the preventing of contamination. There are 3 types of drying, like natural, shade and artificial. In that natural, like under sun, shade isn't like plants should not be dried and exposed to sun. They like that dried under shade. Next the artificial are like spray dryer, vacuum dryer and that spray dryer, like temperatures do not exceed 60 degrees temperature. Natural, shade and artificial we have seen.